Deal. It's Young 3, nigga. Hey, Rod, what's happening? Hey, let's get it, homie. We gotta get it right now. So, I'ma get it till we ball each year. And they been sleeping on 3 like Tylenol PM. But yeah, I ain't worried about it, no. I ain't finna sweat it. You know me, I'ma get up out this bitch and go and get it. And I don't think these niggas heard me when I said it. I'm allergic to sweet niggas like a fucking diabetic. I'm the realest, I'm the illest. When I feel it, I'ma kill it. I'm the hottest of them all. My temperature at the ceiling. Won't stop till I reach a million. A couple multiple million. These niggas is fake. They changing up like chameleons. Fuck your feelings. Nigga, I stayed the same. Y'all be the ones that's changing lanes. I came in the game with thug in my veins and I ain't gon' stop tolerant that grade. Nigga don't want no problem with me. Nigga got beef, he can holler at 3. Get how you live in the middle of the street. Choppers, Kaylee, brains and teeth. Yeah, homie, it's plain to see that I am what a gangster be. I can get your whole family killed simultaneously. Make your cranium leak, so please stop playing with me. I'm Freddy Krueger adjacent, how I'm slaying the beat. Are you looking for your girlfriend? She laying with me, and I got her on her knees. But no, she ain't praying for me. I'm a catastrophe. I straight harass the beat, and my flow has no limit like Master P. Really, I don't see nobody coming after me. Play if you want to, I'll send you where Casper be. My flow a fucking shame. You niggas are fucking lame. Fake niggas do what they can, but real niggas are running things. And I won't stop until I'm running the south. You